Hello, welcome back for lesson number 68. I put a title called correction. Yes, we need to fix something after we complete the next operation. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have completed the nose area. We will continue using the similar method to duplicate previous operation. Duplicate. Change the tool by using select 12 mm flat anvil final. Right mouse click, edit. Set the side and bottom thickness to 0. Base only. Copy to retract so that they will be exactly the same. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame to G54. Drag the tool. Z-15. This is what we expected. Click OK. Click OK again. Let us perform solid verify. Option. Analysis visual. You can see that there is one dot there. Balance material for us to fix. Close the window. Activate sketch. Click the sketch. Using the quick dimension, we can see that is 3 mm from the bottom line. Change it to 5. Click OK. OK again. Exit the sketch. Perform a calculate all. Continue with solid verify. You can see there's no more balanced material after we using the analysis and visual. Save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to accomplish the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to accomplish the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it, right mouse click, duplicate, select, change the tool to 12 mm flat anvil final, right mouse click, edit, set to 0, base only, copy to retract, change the color, calculate, looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame, G54, drag the tool, Z-15, correct, click OK, OK again. Let us go into solid verify. I can play with the higher speed because I know that it will be having error. Yes, option, analysis visual. We have balanced material for the finishing cut. Let us fix it. Activate sketch. This one, quick dimension, here to here, change to 5, click OK, OK, exit sketch, right mouse click, calculate all, perform solid verify. Let us tilt the part, slow down, play. Looks good. Option, analysis visual. Yes, this is what we expected. Everything looks good. Close, close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue to perform finishing cut at the next lesson. Bye bye.